let's learn how does the monopolist maximize its profit. Okay, so let us suppose we draw a simple graph. We have the quantity on the horizontal axis, price on the vertical axis. Okay, if we are being given a demand function which will be downward sloping, let's suppose this is demand function, which is also our average revenue function. Okay, then we have the marginal revenue function, and marginal revenue function is, that is, the slope of the marginal revenue function will be the twice that of the average revenue function. This is marginal revenue function. Okay, and let's draw the marginal cost function also here. So marginal cost function will look like this. This is marginal cost function here. Okay, now profit will be maximized where the marginal revenue and marginal cost functions intersect with each other. So this point will give us the profit maximizing quantity, and going vertically upwards from this point on the average revenue function will give us the profit maximizing price. Okay, so let us solve it, or let us solve a numerical example to get more detailed explanation of this. Let us suppose we have the inverse demand function, that is price is equal to 140 minus 2q. P is the price and q is the output. And let us suppose we are also being given, okay, so this is our inverse demand function. So first we need to find out the marginal revenue function from this function. So first we need to find out the total revenue. Total revenue, as we know, it is price times output. That is price is 140 minus 2q. This is our P, and we multiply it by q. So we will get 140 q minus 2q square. That will be our total revenue function. Now let us find out the marginal revenue. So marginal revenue will be simply the partial derivative of this total, the total derivative. Here we have since only q here, so we take the total derivative of the total revenue function with respect to output. So derivative of q is 1, we are left with 40. 140 minus derivative of q square is 2q. By power function rule, exponent becomes coefficient, so we have 2 into 2, which is 4, and exponent is subtracted by 1, so it becomes 4q. Okay, so the price intercept is here 140, so let's write it here. So 140 is the price intercept, and it is downward sloping. This is our marginal revenue function. So this one is our 140 minus 4q, this very function, this below. Also we need to find out the marginal cost function. So we are, let us suppose the cost function is c is equal to q square plus 20q plus 10. Okay, then we need to find out the marginal cost. So marginal cost, as we know, it is the change in the total cost due to the change in the output. That's the derivative of this cost function with respect to q gives us marginal cost. Derivative of q square is 2q, okay, plus derivative of q in the second term is 1, so we are left with 20, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is our marginal cost function. So it will not be curved in this case, it is a linear cost function. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity I have done this here. Okay, so in fact it will be like this. This is our marginal cost function. Now for profit maximization, we know that our marginal revenue should be equal to the marginal cost. That is, since this is cost function, this is marginal revenue function, they intersect at this point. So this will give us the profit maximizing output here. That is to say, so marginal cost is 140 minus 4q, and we equate it with the marginal, this is our marginal revenue function, and marginal cost is 2q plus 20. So 4q plus 2q is 6q, and we have 140 minus 20, which is equal to 120. So dividing both sides by 6, we get q will be equal to 6 2s are 12, 6 zeros are 0. So profit maximizing quantity will be 20 here. Now to find out the profit maximizing price, what we do, we plug the value of profit maximizing quantity into this average revenue function, which is our demand function, which is 140 minus 2 times the value of profit maximizing quantity, which is 20 here. So we get here price will be equal to 140 minus 40, which is equal to 100. So profit maximizing price will be 100 here. Okay, I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.